Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. എല്ലാവരും ക്യാമറ ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഓൺ ചെയ്യാം മക്കളെ. Please switch on the camera. Okay. Now today let us do some questions from permutations and combinations. Okay. Permutations and combinations കുറച്ച് questions ചെയ്യാം. First of all, കുറച്ച് simple questions, previous year questions that we will do later. Okay. So what is the answer for this question? These questions are for you to understand the concepts. NP5 is equal to 20 into NP3. Find the value of n. Who can give me the correct answer? ആർക്കാണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ പറയാൻ പറ്റുക? NP5 equal to 20 into NP3. Okay. Which implies NP5. What is the formula for NPR? Now, you know the formula for NPR. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Or this is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. n minus r plus 1. Okay. That means if you want to calculate 12p3, okay, we can write 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 3 factorial. Or NP3 is equal to, 12p3 is equal to twelve into 11 into 10. This is the shortcut. That means product of three consecutive natural numbers in descending order. Okay. Product of three consecutive natural numbers starting from 12 in descending order. So once you simplify this, you will be getting the same only. 12 factorial is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. Denominator also you have got in 9 factorial. So 9 factorial is getting cancelled. So ultimately you are getting 12 into 11 into 10. So if you know the subscript 3 or 4, whatever it may be, so this is easier. So if you use this method, okay, then NP5 is product of 5 natural numbers in descending order starting from n. So which are the 5 natural numbers? Descending order n, then n minus 1, then n minus 2, then n minus 3, then n minus 4. On RHS, you have got 20 into, again, NP3. 3 natural numbers, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay. Here, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is getting cancelled. So n minus 3 into n minus 4. Okay. Product of two natural numbers in descending order. 20, how can you write as product of two natural numbers? 5 into 4. So immediately you will be able to observe that n minus 3 must be is equal to 5. Otherwise, you have to open the bracket, write it as a quadratic equation, then you have to solve it. That will take a lot of time. But in permutation and combination, you will be able to find out the value of n unknown by comparing like this. So n minus 3 is equal to 5. So ultimately, we are getting n is equal to 8. Okay, so answer for that question is 8. Now, I am giving you this question for you to understand the method of simplification. എങ്ങനെയാണ് എളുപ്പത്തിൽ simplify ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുക? That is very important. Time is a very important factor when you solve a question. So within the limited time, how can you solve a question? Okay, without committing errors. അതാണ്, that is what I did. Okay, മനസ്സിലാക്കൂ. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം ഇതേമാതിരി തന്നെ try to do 100C25 divided by 100C24. What it is? Who can give me the answer? 100C25 divided by 100C24. 24. Now, here also, you have to use a result. Not the formula for NCR. NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Superscript is same. Numerator subscript is R. Denominator subscript is R minus 1. Then this is equal to, directly you will be able to write the value of this expression. Then the pattern is what? Numerator will be n minus R minus 1 or n minus R plus 1 when you open the bracket. Denominator R. Okay. So how it is coming? Look. N minus R minus 1. That is coming here. And this R, that is coming to the denominator. When you simplify this, you will be getting in this form.
Sir, answer is option B.
Let me see. Yeah, correct. So if you use this formula, immediately you will be able to get the answer. Numerator will be 100 minus 24. Denominator is 25. So 100 minus 24. Okay. And this 25 will be appearing here. Like that. Okay. So answer is 76 divided by 25. So this formula, even though you might not be studying in your 11th standard syllabus, but you should remember this result. Okay, your result also waken up. It's very important. The number of different permutations of the word banana. It is very easy. Can you tell me what are the number of permutations of this word banana? Banana എന്നുള്ള word, how many ways we can rearrange and write different words? വളരെ എളുപ്പമാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യൂ, ഉഷാറാവും.
Sir, 120.
It is 60. I'll tell you, it's not difficult. There is 1B, there are 3A's, there are 2N. Now, total number of permutations will be, total there are 6 letters. So numerator, you have got 6 factorial. If all are different, total number of different words will be 6 factorial. But since there are 3A's, that means 3 letters are repeated. So you have to divide it by 3 factorial. And 2 N's are there, 2 letters are repeated in another way. So you have to divide by 2 factorial. So when you simplify, numerator is 720 6 factorial. Denominator is 6 into 12. 6 into 2. That is 12. So you are getting 60. Okay. So this is a method. നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. Total, if you take all the words and rearrange them, so all the letters of the word and rearrange them, if all are different, it will be 6 factorial. If 3 letters are repeating, you have to divide by that many factorial. Okay? Okay. Next question. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. These basic things you should know. So how can you solve this question? 12 PR. As I told you, NPR is product of R natural numbers in descending order starting from N. N എന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into...
Answer is
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, correct only. N minus R plus 1. Definitely, RHS should be what? Product of natural numbers. How many natural numbers that we have to calculate? That you have to factorize 1320. 1320 ne factorize cheyanam. That is very easy. 132 into 10. 132 is 12 into 11. 12 into 11 is 132 into 10. Now, this is the only way we can write this in the form of product of consecutive natural numbers. വേറെ രീതിയിൽ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റൂല കാരണം 11 is a prime number. അതുകൊണ്ട് 12 into 11 into 10. That is the only possible way. And this is nothing but 12p3. So on comparing, R must be equal to 3. R in the value 3 ആയിരിക്കണം. Okay. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. NPR equal to 272. What is N plus R? Same way. R is greater than 1 given. Same property of permutation. Because whenever you write permutation of distinct objects or some objects or whatever it may be, NPR must be product of consecutive natural numbers. That is for sure you have to take. So you have got NPR is equal to 272. Now, how many different ways you can write 272 as product of consecutive natural numbers? Consecutive natural number ആയിട്ട് 272 എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും? Prime factorization. Prime factorization ചെയ്താൽ പറ്റും. Now, 272, you know that 16 into 16, that's 256. 16 square 256 ആണ്. 16 തൊട്ടടുത്ത natural number 17. 17 into 16, let us try. By trial and error method, you can find it out. 272 is nothing but 17 into 16. Prime factorization, you will be able to find it out. 17 is a prime number. Okay, so this is the only way you can write NPR in the form of consecutive natural numbers. ഈ ഒറ്റ രീതിയെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഇനി വേറെ രീതിയിൽ എഴുതി പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് യു വിൽ ബി ഏബിൾ ടു റൈറ്റ്, ബട്ട് ദേ വോണ്ട് ബി consecutive natural numbers. This 17 into 16 is nothing but 17p2. So on comparing, we have got n is equal to 17 and r is equal to 2. So n plus r is equal to 19. So that is how you are getting it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to use formula for np3 as well as n minus 1 p3 to find out the value of n. And from after finding out n, find out np4 is to n minus 1 p4. np3 divided by n minus 1 p3 equal to 3 by 2. Find the value of n. So it is very easy. In the numerator, 3 consecutive numbers starting from n. n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. In the denominator, product of 3 natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers starting from n minus 1. n minus 1 എന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് 3 natural numbers in descending order. Then n minus 2 into n minus 3. It is given that this is 3 by 2. Okay. Here, n minus 1 into n minus 2 is getting cancelled. Now, when you cross multiply, we are getting 2n equal to 3n minus 9, which implies n equal to 9. Okay. Now you have to find out np4 divided by np4 you have to calculate. Yeah, sorry, np4 divided by n minus 1 p4. We found n is equal to 9. So it is 9p4. Who got the answer now? You might have got it. So you read now answer.
9 is to
Answer 9 is to 5. Correct only. So 9p4 is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 8p4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So 8 into 7 is into 6 is getting cancelled. So you're getting 9 by 5. Good. Good. Okay. Next question. NCR minus 1 is 36. NCR is 84. NCR plus 1 is 126. What's the value of R? R the value എന്താണ്? We have got NCR minus 1 is equal to 36. NCR is equal to 84. NCR plus 1 is equal to 126. You have to find out the value of R. Use the formula NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to N minus, in bracket, R minus 1 divided by R. This formula you have to use. ഈ formula ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. First, we are dividing equation 2 by equation 1. LHS you have got NCR by NCR minus 1. Equal to 84 divided by 36. Okay. When you divide 12 into 336, 12 into 7, that is 84, is it not? 7 by 3. NCR by NCR minus 1, numerator is N minus R plus 1 divided by R, which is equal to 7 by 3. You will be getting one equation in N and R. 3N minus 3R plus 3 is equal to 7R, which implies 3N minus 10R plus 3 is equal to 0. Same way you divide equation 3 by equation 2. So you are getting NCR plus 1 divided by NCR. NCR plus 1 is 126. NCR is 84. What is this? 42 into 2, 84. 42 into 3, that is 126. So LHS is, by using the same formula, we have got N minus R divided by R plus. Okay? N minus R divided by R plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. So on cross multiplication, we are getting 2N minus 2R is equal to 3R plus 3, which implies 2N minus 5R minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, if you solve 4 and 5, you would be getting the value of R. Okay, equation 4 into what? 2. 2 into equation 4. We are getting 6N minus 20R plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 3 into equation 5. So we are getting 6N minus 15R minus 9 is equal to 0. When you subtract 20 minus 5R plus 15 equal to 0, therefore R is equal to 3. Okay. So these type of questions are very important. Sometimes you may be asked to find out the value of n. So this formula is very important. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus in bracket r minus 1 divided by r. ഈ ഫോർമുല വളരെ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ,
Yes, sir.
നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, അടുത്ത ചോദ്യത്തിൽ നോക്കാം. The number of positive integers m satisfying the inequality 13cm less than 13c m plus 2. So you have to simplify this and find out. You have to use the formula NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Same way, 13 factorial divided by m factorial into 13 minus m factorial less than here 13 factorial divided by m plus 2 factorial into 13 minus m plus 2. 13 minus 2 is 11. 11 minus m factorial. Here 13 factorial is getting cancelled. Okay. Again, you can simplify. This is, if you take the reciprocal or if you, the denominator again, you can simplify. M factorial I am writing as it is. This 13 minus m factorial I am writing as 13 minus m into 12 minus m into 11 minus m factorial. That is LHS. And RHS I am writing m plus 2 factorial I am writing as m plus 2 into m plus 1 into m factorial. And 11 minus m factorial also. Here again, m factorial is getting cancelled and 11 minus m factorial also is getting cancelled. Now you can cross multiply. Why? Because both are positive numbers, positive natural numbers. So when you cross multiply, you are getting m plus 2 into m plus 1 less than 13 minus m into 12 minus m. Okay. Open the bracket. You will be getting m square plus 3m plus 2 less than, here also m square minus 25m plus 12 into 13. 15680. M squared is getting cancelled. Therefore, 28m less than 154, which implies m less than 154 divided by 28. This 154 by 28 is what? 154 by 28 is greater than 5, I think, no? So this will be 5 point something. Okay. Therefore, m can take values. M can take values, positive integer values. That is natural number values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values M can take. The answer is 5. The simplification part is little difficult. Otherwise, the question is easy. Simplification, നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക കേട്ടോ. നമ്മൾ IIT മെയിൻസിലെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളിൽ സിംപ്ലിഫിക്കേഷൻ IIT മെയിൻസിൽ പെർമ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ കോമ്പിനേഷൻസിൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. ഓക്കെ,
Yes.
നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The digit in the unit place sigma r equal to 1 to 20 are factorial. Sigma r equal to 1 to 20 are factorial. When you put r is equal to 1, you are getting 1 factorial plus r is equal to 2, 2 factorial, then 3 factorial, plus 4 factorial, plus etc. plus 20 factorial. ഇത് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ യൂണിറ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ ഏത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണെന്നാണ് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ when you add it, what will be the number coming on the right end? വലത്തെ ഭാഗത്തെ ഏറ്റവും ആദ്യത്തെ നമ്പർ ആണല്ലോ യൂണിറ്റ് പ്ലേസിൽ വരുന്ന നമ്പർ. ഇവിടെ വൺ ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 ആണ്. 2 ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 2. 3 factorial means 6. 4 factorial means 24. 5 factorial is 120. 6 factorial is 720. Now, whatever factorials you write after 6 factorial or so, or after 5 factorial, you will be getting the digit in the unit place is 0. In 20 factorial, you need not have to calculate, but you are sure that the last digit or the digit in the unit place in 20 factorial will be equal to what? 0. Unit place always it is equal to 0. So when you add all these numbers, the digit appearing in the unit place, you will be able to calculate quickly. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 will be appearing in the unit place. Whether it is 20 factorial or 100 factorial or whatever it may be. Whatever factorial greater than 4 factorial. The digit in the unit place will be 3 when you add it. So answer for that question is 3. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ മെത്തേഡ്?
Yes, sir.
ഓക്കെ. പിന്നെ ഇതിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത റിമൈൻഡർ എത്രയാണെന്ന് ചോദിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സപ്പോസ് if you are dividing this by 12, what is the remainder? So this also we are dividing by 12. Okay. Same way, 1 factorial is 2 factorial. And all the remaining factors will be multiple of 12. That means 5 factorial, 120 also is multiple of 12. Plus etc. 20 factorial. Now, all these numbers are multiple of 12. Okay. So this is nothing but 1, 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 12K. Multiple of 12 means 12K. Plus 12K. So when you divide it by 12, definitely the remainder will be 9. So that type of questions also may be asked. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ചോദിക്കാം. Okay. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Next question. The number of ways in which 8 distinct toys can be distributed among 5 children. ആർക്കാ പറയാൻ പറ്റുക? Who can give me? Eight distinct toys. Toy 1, toy 2, 8. 5 children. Child 1, 2, child 4, different ways. Can anybody give me the answer? 5 raised to 8 is there, 8 raised to 5 is there, 8p5 is there, 40 is there, 8 into 5 factorial. Which is the correct option? A the correct option. Who can give me?
8 to the power.
It is the other way around. It is 5 to the power 8. How? The first toy can be given to any one of the child in 5 different ways. T1 can be given to either to T1 can be given in 5 different ways. Okay. And T2 also can be given in 5 different ways. And etc. T8 also can be given in 5 different ways. Total by using fundamental principle of counting. If an event can happen in m different ways and another in n different ways, total is m into n. So here 5 into 5 into 5 into etc. 8 times is equal to 5 to the power 8. So answer for that question is 5 to the power 8. Okay. Next question. The number of straight lines joining 8 points on a circle, or otherwise number of chords. Okay. Consider 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of straight lines. If you select these 2 points, you are getting a straight line. Okay. If you select another 2 points, suppose if you are taking this point and this point, you will be getting another straight line like this. So what is the conclusion? Selection of any 2 points.
Sir, answer is 28.
Yeah, correct. Selection of 2 points from 8. That means if you ചെയ്താലും ഒരു സ്ട്രേറ്റ് ലൈൻ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 8 പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് 2 പോയിന്റുകളുടെ എത്ര സെലക്ഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്? 8C2. ഒരു സെലക്ഷന് ഒരു സ്ട്രേറ്റ് ലൈൻ, 2 സെലക്ഷൻസിന് 2 സ്ട്രേറ്റ് ലൈൻസ്, then 8C2 സെലക്ഷൻസിന് 8C2 straight lines. So total number of straight lines will be 8C2. So you can remember it as a result NC2 if there are n points. Okay. So 8C2 is 8 into 7 divided by 2 factorials. That is 28. Okay. Next question. NPR equal to 720 into NCR. What is the value of R? Very simple. Result is very easy. Again, answer video. NPR equal to R factorial into NCR. This is the result. Here result ഉപയോഗിച്ചാൽ we are getting R factorial equal to 720. You know that 720 is 6 factorial. Therefore, R equal to 6. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Okay. So this type of questions may be asked. So maybe a little more complicated. A family of 7 persons are to be arranged for a photograph in a row. The number of arrangements in which parents are all together. Tell me. 7 persons arranged in a row so that 2 are always together. രണ്ടുപേരും എപ്പോഴും ഒരുമിച്ച് വേണം. Tell me.
Sir, is 1440.
Yeah, correct. Now, the parents are always together. That means father and mother. So you consider them as a single unit. Remaining, there are 5. So member 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to consider 6 different units. They can be arranged in 6 factorial into father and mother themselves can be arranged by using fundamental principle of counting. All these can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and father and mother themselves can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. 6 factorial, it is 720. 2 factorial, that is 2, 1440. It is a simple question. Okay. Next question. This is a very simple question, but questions having more letters also may be asked. Rank means if you consider all the words which can be written using the word late, letters of the word late. ഈ late എന്നുള്ള വേർഡിലുള്ള ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് റീഅറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് how many words you can write total 24 words. All letters are different and all the letters are different. So you can write 24 words. Now, when you arrange all these 24 words in dictionary order means, you know, the words containing the first letter A will be appearing beginning of the word late. If you write all these 24 words in dictionary order,
Sir,
in which
14.
position? Okay. Answer for that question is 40. If it were a big word, sometimes it may be difficult. Okay. Late. Now, first of all, you write in dictionary order. First, you write A in dictionary order, then E, then L, then T. Now, there are 6 letters starting with A. These 3 different words can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, which is equal to 6. That doesn't contain the word late. Now, the 6 words starting with the letter E. Now, the word late will not be included in that one. Now, in the next, that is 12 already gone. Now, consider the word starting with the letter L. After L, the next letter will be in dictionary order, it is A. Okay? Then ET, that will be the 13th word. And if you interchange E and T, that is TE, that will be the 14th word. Now, there is a shortcut for this if all the letters are different. All letters are different, and shortcut under. Okay? That also we can use for solving this question. The method is, I write here. You write the letters in dictionary order. A, E, L, T. Then write the word here, L, A, T, E. Okay. Now the method is, you strike off the first letter from the word late and on the words which we have arranged in dictionary order also. There are 2 letters on the left of L which are not cancelled. So you have got 2 letters into, okay. There are total words, total letters, there are 4 letters. So minus 1, that is 3 factorial. You will be getting 2 into 3 factorial is what? 12. So by that you will be getting all these 12 words. Now strike off the next letter A. Here it is A. There is no letter on the left of A. So we write 0 into, you subtract 1 from 3, that is 2 factorial. Here you have got 0. Now strike T. And you have got one letter on the left which is not cancelled. So 1 into, then 1 factorial will be is equal to 1. And next letter will be, these are number of words before the word late. So next letter, so if you add 1, that will be the rank of the word late. So it is 14. So that way it is easy for you to find out. Okay. So for that matter, I will give another word. Can you find out the rank of the word Rahul? Who can give me? Dictionary order, arrange the letters. First letter is A. Second letter are A, H. A, H. Now L, R, U. Total 120 words are there. So below I write Rahul. I Qatar. There are 3 letters remaining on left. There are total 5 letters. Subtract 1. So for factorial, it is 72. Now you cut A. No letter on the left of A. 0 into 3 factorial. The next, no letter on the left of H. 0 into 2 factorial.
Sir, 74.
Okay. Now, there's one letter into 1 factorial. So next letter will be, next word will be the word Rahul. So you add 1, you will be getting 74. Like that. Okay. Now, next question. Maximum number of points of intersection of 8 circles. Suppose 8 circles intersect each other. How many points of intersections are there? അതാണ് ചോദ്യം.
Sir, option B.
Option
B.
Option B is correct. The answer is 2 into AC2. Why? Because if you consider any 2 circles, you will be getting 2 points of intersection. Okay. So one circle I have drawn over here. If you take another circle, okay, you are having 2 points of intersections. One is this one another one is this one. If you take another circle, one more circle if you consider, then you will be having how many points of intersection? You can find it out. 6. That is 2 into 3C2. If you consider these two, there are 2. If you consider this circle and this circle, these points of intersections are there. And if you consider this circle and this circle, again, these 2. Total 6. How you are getting? 2 into 3C2. Okay. So this you can consider as a formula. 2 into 8C2 is 8 into 7 divided by 2 factorial. So it is 56. Okay. How many words can be made from the letters of the word Delhi if L comes in the middle? How many words can be made from the letters of the word Delhi if L comes in the middle? Very simple. L is coming in the middle. Okay. How many letters are remaining? Remaining 4 letters in remaining 4 positions can be arranged in 4 factorial ways.
Sir, answer is B.
Yeah, 24. So remaining 4 letters in remaining 4 positions can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. And the last question. A lady gives a dinner party to 5 guests to be selected from 9 friends. The number of ways of forming a party of 5 guests, given that 2 particular friends will not attend the party together. A lady gives a dinner to 5 guests selected from 9. Total is 9C5. 2 friends will not attend together. It is just like 2 letters will not appear together. Same way. Okay? 2 will not attend together. Will not attend together.
Sir, it is 91.
How can we calculate it? Pardon?
91.
Answer?
91.
Yeah, correct only. Yeah, correct. So 2 will not attend together is equal to total minus. Okay. 2 will attend together. So total we have got 9C5 minus 2 will attend together. Okay. So that you subtract, you will be getting the answer 91. Okay. That we will do it in the next class. Answer is 91. How you are getting it, you calculate it. Okay. Thank you. It's time over. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.